Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a beginner's guide to Otter AI. In order to do so, here we are at otter.ai, and once you are all signed up and logged in, then you'll be asked a few questions to get you started. So let's go ahead and just go through the steps here. So we'll go ahead and say research here. We'll go ahead and say individual contributor, and now we are into Otter. And if you are unfamiliar with Otter, Otter is a way that you can get transcripts for your meetings. So when you have a meeting, then you can use Otter basically to make sure that you get a transcript of the meeting. And then you can use some other really helpful tools in order to get more out of those meetings, about those conversations. So you can even ask Otter about the conversations. And we'll just take a look here at the main page. So we can record schedule meetings. So you can see here that we can connect our calendar in order to get automatic notes. So that's really quite nice. And let's see here. We've also got some getting started options. So we can connect our calendar, we can learn the basics, we can record our first conversation. So all of these things will be helpful to starting off and making sure that we're using our Otter to its full potential. Let's go ahead and just click on learn the basics. So I think that will be helpful here. And we also could see that with the basic plan, we get 300 monthly minutes. So that's quite nice. We do have the pro subscription as well. And if you look in the description, you will find a link. And if you click on that link, then you would be helping out the channel, and we would certainly appreciate it. So Otter AI chat, click the suggested questions or type in your own. Okay, so we can click next. All right, so this is going to just kind of take us through some of our basic functions. Automatic action items. Try assigning an action item to yourself. Okay, we'll click next on that. View the full conversation. So we can click the transcript tab to review the conversation captured by Otter. We can highlight, if we click on highlight, then we can emphasize parts of the conversation that you wish to revisit. Help Otter recognize speakers. Click on the profile picture to update the speaker if it is incorrect. So that's really nice. So you can actually distinguish between the different speakers in order to make sure that everything is nice and clear. So we'll click done on that. So here you go. So this is going to give you an idea of what Otter is going to look like. So we have our different speakers here in the conversation, and everything is separated clearly so that you have a nice, clear transcript to work from. So that gives you an idea of what Otter is capable of. Again, if you click on the link in the description, you would be helping us out, and we would greatly appreciate it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.